he acting a little scary over here. I'm gonna max this right out for you. So you're gonna go higher and faster, alright? You ain't gonna know the difference. You gonna know the difference.
You gonna line like a snake shit you in.
Alright. Hey, you see that? There's a 50, a 75, a 100. You going to the 100.
Alright, bet. Let's ride then, player. Let's ride. Alright, let's ride like I don't know when they're gonna go, because I can see that shit over there. Yeah, I ain't crazy. You put my head back. Go ahead and explain and get me off of it.
Who wanna do it with me?
You got this. Just keep your head back.
Hey, Zach. Babe, I'm going airborne. I'll at you when I get back. I'll at you.
So now I'm gonna hit y'all with that anticipation.
I ain't worried about it. Go ahead.
Yeah.
La, la,
Pull
la.
it down here.
Yeah, I'm sorry. Oh, shit. Oh, goddamn.
Don't look down. Don't look down. Don't look down. Don't look down.
Oh, goddamn, that shit right there, bro. Bro, I can't stop laughing, man. Oh, shit.
Oh, yeah. Oh, like this. Like this, hold on in there.
Oh, shit. I don't fucking know. This shit need to go down.
Oh, what? Not me. Oh, John. Ooh. Ooh. What we going back up for? He tripping.
Bro, when you get high up in the goddamn mountain, that goes too crazy.
Zach, I want my money, bro. Come on, Zach. Zach said, oosh. Come on, Zach. Hold on. Step back from me real quick.
What the fuck you mean?
Uh-oh. You fucking back up.
The devil is a lie?
Zach, I want my money, bro.
What's up?
So you said,
I told you I was gonna say that shit up there.
No, you didn't.
Hey, but I was laughing like hell.
Hey, Sean, what he say?
He said I won't do nothing. He said I ain't gonna even say oh shit, nothing like that.
Yeah.
Man, when I got up in the air and that bitch started pushing me back down, that bitch said, oh, hell no. Nah.
Just play me up, bro.
Alright, we'll slap my boo.